Hey there, reggae lovers. It is your host, G. Cole, and I'm coming to you with some amazing Reggae Month fun facts. This segment is brought to you by our amazing sponsors, Florida Power and Light, Grace Foods, Island Space Caribbean Museum, and Jamaicans.com. Now let's get into these fun facts. Let's go. On April 18th, 1980, wow, I was just 2 years old, right? The newly independent nation of Zimbabwe celebrated their independence with a freedom concert, right? This concert was held in the Rufaro Stadium in Harare. And at the stadium, none other than Sir Robert Nesta Marley was the star, the headline of that show, right? As Bob and the Wailers were setting up and getting ready for that concert, something crazy happened. Prisoners broke out of prison to come and see Bob Marley perform. I'm talking about all the prisoners breaking out of jail to come see Sir Bob Marley perform, right? So as he started the performance and all of that going on, it's been a whole bunch of chaos. It wasn't prisoners breaking out to seek freedom or whatever the case may be, or jailbreak. They were breaking out to catch a glimpse of Sir Robert Nesta Marley. See, I'm ever said the name full with pride, right? Robert Nesta Bob Marley, all right? So, of course, police trying to rein everything in. They were tossing tear gases in and all kinds of stuff like that. And if you see footage on YouTube, you will see Bob Marley tending to Ziggy, trying to make sure that, tear gas wasn't in his eyes and stuff like that. But it was a remarkable experience that was captured on film, right? And not only that, but when it was time for Bob to resume his performance, they couldn't find the I3s, right? They had, in the midst of the chaos, Rita, Marcia, Judy, they were taken away, for safety, of course. So when Bob was resuming his concert, he had no backing vocalist to do, to do the set with. But, Bob's Bob. Bob does what Bob does, right? And, despite the challenges there, Bob continued to perform his set. Because, of course, that's who the big gang is, right? Big gang. And, of course, it just goes to tell you how powerful reggae music is. Bob himself stated at the closing of that show that he now knew who the true revolutionaries were. All right. And of course, those words being met with a lot of cheer, and can imagine just being there, the presence, the energy, a lot of energy from the people there. And it not just marked the independence of Zimbabwe, but that moment in time is still etched as one of the most unforgettable nights in the history of the nation of Zimbabwe. All right, the power of this thing called reggae music. There you have it. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's mind-blowing reggae facts, courtesy of Florida Power and Light, Grace Foods, Island Space Caribbean Museum, and the Jamaicans.com. Remember also, Reggae Genealogy. The Reggae Genealogy event is just around the corner, February 10th, all right? So make sure you're registered so you can uncover even more fascinating history about Jamaican music. And also visit reggaegenealogy.org to secure your space. Stay tuned for more amazing content. And also, please hit that subscribe, hit that like, hit that share, all right? Thank you.